Hi, folks. In math, one of the ways to evaluate expressions is to graph equations. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. I'm going to give you a couple of equations right here. 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. That's one equation, right? And then there's another equation. We'll give it to you again. 2x minus y equals 1. 2x minus y equals 1. What you want to do is you want to graph these equations. Now, the way we're going to do it right now is using the formula for slope. Y equals mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. That's the formula for slope. Now, to get that formula the way we should have it, the way we get these equations the way we need to have it, what we will do is make some changes so that you have you got you want to have plus you want to have 2y. For example, this has to be 2y, and you're going to have that's going to be minus negative 2y. It's going to be equal to negative 3x. So you're going to have equals 4 minus 3x. Now you see what I did there? I've got the negative 2y here, 3x minus 2y equals y. I switched around so that negative 2y is here and equals 4 minus 3x. I subtracted negative, I'm sorry, I subtracted negative 3x from here and brought it over here to make it minus 3x. Now what I want to do is really to make it even more closely related to what it is I'm going to go ahead and make this minus 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. That will fit the y equals mx plus b formula, okay? So you got now negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. Now what do I need to do? Well, I want to go ahead and divide by 2, negative 2 by 2, and negative 2 here and negative 2 here. So you got negative 2 right there, right? Well, that will make it y is equal to negative 3x plus 4 divided by 2. Now, what do I do with that? Probably the best way to do that is go like this. Y is equal to negative 3x over 2, and that will eliminate the other 2. So you have plus 2. See what I did? I got the 4 there. I divided by 2. I got 2. I got negative 3x plus 2 over 2 plus 2. So what you then do is you're going to find, for this one equation, using the slope formula, you're going to find the coordinate on the graph. All right? And that coordinate is going to be, this is 2. This is the y-intercept right here. This is the 2 is the y-intercept that you have. It's always a y-intercept. So you look for 2 right here. 1, 2. That's 2 right there. That's your y-intercept. And then you look for slope. And that's rise over run. Rise is going to be negative 3 in this case. So you're going to go down 3. 1, 2, and negative to negative 1 on y here. And then you're going to go 2 over rise over run. 1, 2. So you're going to have your line be like this. So this is going to be the line for this number. Y is equal to negative 3x over 2 plus 2. That's going to be your first line. Now, you have this one here is 2x minus y is equal to 1. What do you do with that? You go ahead and divide by, you want to do the same thing. You want to make this negative y is equal to, and you want to have it 1, and you want to have it minus 2x, 1 minus 2x, and let me go ahead and erase this a little bit so it gets a little bit more clear. Let me erase this for you. Okay? So you got 2x minus y is equal to 1, and then what you do is you want to go ahead and you want to subtract the 2x here, and you want to subtract the 2x here, make it 1 minus 2x, so minus y is equal to 1 minus 2x, okay? And then you want to go ahead and say negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Now you could make this, we didn't do this the last time, but you could go ahead and change the signs on this to being plus and negative. You could do that and make it negative 1, be y equals 2x plus 1. So we go ahead and we have 1 as a y-intercept right here. See, 1 is a y-intercept right there. And then you have 2 over 1 being the rise over run. So you go up 2. So you would go 1, 2, and you go 1 over. And there is going to be your 2 and 1. That's going to be the number you cross over. And right here, approximately at, it looks like it's going to be 2 over 1. 1 is going to be where you're at crossing over. It looks like it's going to be a crossover. It's going to be 1 and almost 2. So it's going to be 1x and probably, see, if you're rising, it's 1 over there. So it's going to be 2 or up 2. And see, well, anyway, that's your intersecting point. Whatever that's going to be, it looks like a 1, 1 or 1, 2 is going to be your intersection point. 1 or 1 or 1. It's probably 1, 1 or 1, 2. That's how you're going to find, that's how you're graphing these lines. Okay? So remember what we did there. We changed everything into the y equals mx plus b, which is a slope-intercept form. That's how we got it. All right? All right. Talk to you later.